Exercise 1.4, fourth sum. A fish tank can be filled in 10 minutes using both the pumps A and B simultaneously. However, pump B can pump water or out at the same state. If pump B inadvertently run in reverse, then the tank will be filled in 30 minutes. How long would it take each pump to fill the tank by itself? Here the first statement, it's given a fish tank can be filled in 10 minutes, both pumps A and B simultaneously. Here we can take this A and B tanks. The time taken to fill the tank A and B in a minute is nothing but 1 by A and 1 by B. The time taken in a minute. Here it's given for 10 minutes it will taken to complete that. Isn't it? But here in per minute how much time taken by A and B. So by A is nothing but 1 by A, by B is nothing but 1 by B. So that we can take this time taken to fill A and B together in a minute is nothing but 1 by 10 here. So 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 10 here. So we can take this cross multiplication of this so that it will become 10x plus 10y equal to 1. It's nothing but x equal to 1 by A and y equal to 1 by B. By this we can take this x and y so that it is x equal to 1 by A and y equal to 1 by B. From the second statement, here if pump B is inadvertently is reverse, it's nothing but that B pump is given, so it may be minus 1 by B here. So 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to, here it's given it will take 30 minutes. So it is the work done is nothing but 1 by 30. So 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to 1 by 30. Then cross multiply this so that it will become 30x minus 30y equal to 1 here. So now we got two equations here. The one is 10x plus 10y equal to 1. The other one is 30x minus 30y equal to 1. From these two equations we have to use the Cramer's rule. Okay, for this Cramer's rule we want to find delta value, determinant value. That is nothing but delta equal to 10, 10, 30 minus 30. Then we want to find the determinant value, that is nothing but minus 300 minus 300 here. So that it's totally minus 600 which is not equal to 0. Then we want to find the value of del x. So del x is nothing but in the place of the first row I have to replace by the constant there. This constant value I have to replace that. Okay. So instead of this 10 and 30, replace the constant 1 and 1. Keep the remaining thing as it is here. 10 minus 30. And then cross multiply this to find the determinant value. That is minus 30 minus 10 here. It's nothing but minus 40. And then I want to find the value of del y here. So now we find the value of del y. Here it's nothing but in the place of y, second column, I have to replace this 10 and minus 30 by 1 and 1 here. So keep this 10 and 30 as it is here. And then we want to find the determinant value. It's nothing but 10 minus 30. It's nothing but minus 20. Then we want to find the value of x. X is nothing but del x by del. The value of del x is minus 40 divided by the value of del is minus 600. So minus 40 by minus 600, it's nothing but 1 by 15. Then I want to find the value of y here. So it's nothing but y is del y by del. So del y is nothing but minus 20, del value is minus 600. So if you simplify this, we will get 1 by 30. So now we got the value of x is 1 by 15 and value of y is 1 by 30. From this x is nothing but 1 by a, isn't it? So 1 by a equal to 1 by 15. Therefore, a equal to 15 now. So now we got the value of a as 15. Likewise, y equal to 1 by b, which is nothing but 1 by 30. Therefore, b equal to 30 here. And then now we got the values of a and b here. So we can conclude this problem like this. Time to fill by A alone is 15 minutes and time to fill by B alone is 30 minutes. Okay.